Hello guys, welcome back to Satoshi Fibs. Guys, in this video, we're taking a look at the Bitcoin US dollar price chart. Bitcoin is currently trading for $21,666. Will Bitcoin come back to its 200 moving average on the 4-hour time frame? Also be looking at Bitcoin's market cap. Bitcoin's market cap is currently at $413 billion. How low are we going to go? Is the bottom in for Bitcoin? Bitcoin bottom right here at $336 billion. Are we going to set a new all-time low? This week is gearing up to be a very crazy week. The Fed is expected to increase interest rates. How will that affect Bitcoin? How will that affect Bitcoin dominance, guys? Bitcoin dominance is very important if you're holding Bitcoin or if the altcoin market is actually pumping. We'll be talking about that and more. But first, guys, if you're new to this channel and you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Let's get down to business. Guys, it looks as if Bitcoin is pulling back. Bitcoin has been pumping. The last updates we did, Bitcoin was trading around $23,000. Bitcoin got to as high as $24,300. Bitcoin has seen a significant increase in price since June 2022. Bitcoin in the last 31 days has gone up 37%. But we've been seeing a little pullback in Bitcoin right now, and it looks as if Bitcoin is gearing up for some dump. Are we going to set new all-time lows? The line in the sand for Bitcoin is around that $21,700 region, and we're just below it right now at the point of recording this video. And that important region you want to be looking out for in the Bitcoin US dollar price chart is $20,968. That is the 200 moving average on the 4-hour time frame for Bitcoin. And if you go back to Bitcoin's price history, you see that anytime Bitcoin is above it, the market is bullish, but anytime Bitcoin goes below it, it looks as if we'll be experiencing a dump in the near term or in the long term, and Bitcoin has been held beneath this moving average for quite a while. Bitcoin broke through it on the 16th of July 2022, but we could just go as high as 24,300. Is Bitcoin coming back to test this moving average before we continue pumping to 28,000? A lot of people have been talking about 28,000, how Bitcoin will have to pump 28,000. This is disbelief rally. 28,000 was the region where when Bitcoin broke, we knew we were going to gobbling town. Would Bitcoin go back there to test that region? You can see that when 28,000 blew, there was no any resistance here. Bitcoin just started dumping straight down in a straight line before we finally found support around 17,000. Will history repeat itself? I won't see Bitcoin dump. I believe that the bottom of Bitcoin will probably come in below 17,600. A lot of people have been saying the bottom is in, but guys, the bottom is not a moment in time. The bottom is a period. The bottom is just going to come in one day. Yes, the bottom might be in, but there's a very high chance we might still come back to test these lows around $17,000. I won't be surprised if I see Bitcoin trading at that region. And guys, Bitcoin's market cap is currently at $413 billion from the all-time high for Bitcoin's market cap of more than $1.26 trillion in November 2021. Bitcoin has been dumping really hard. With Bitcoin market cap come back to test this $509 billion region, that looks like a very important resistance level for Bitcoin. This Bitcoin market cap on a daily time frame uses the Fibonacci retracement tool from the top of Bitcoin's bull run in 2017 to the bottom of the bear market in 2018. And you can see that the Fibonacci retracement tool correctly predicted that Bitcoin will get to as high as $1.26 trillion, and Bitcoin has gotten there. Now the $1 million question is, where will the bottom come in? We know that right now Bitcoin is currently at a very key level in the Fibonacci retracement tool. If Bitcoin doesn't hold the level where we are right now, we might see Bitcoin going to gobbling town. And what does gobbling town mean for Bitcoin? Bitcoin might go below its 2018 all-time high for the market cap. Bitcoin might go to as low as $276 billion. From where we are right now for Bitcoin, guys, it means Bitcoin will still have to dump a little further. We might see Bitcoin drop another 34%. Nobody wants to see that. Everybody shouting kumbaya, we're going to the moon. But guys, even if you look at Bitcoin's RSI right here, Bitcoin's RSI is at the upper end. Yes, it's not oversold or it's not overbought. It's at 48. So probably this is a very critical decision time for Bitcoin. In the next few days will tell us whether Bitcoin is going to be pumping to the moon or we're going to be dumping to gobbling town. On this channel, we've been talking about finding Bitcoin bottom. I've done a series of videos on it. We talked about finding Bitcoin bottom using Fibonacci retracement tool here. To find Bitcoin bottom using moving averages, you can check them out. Using the Fibonacci retracement tool, I believe the Bitcoin bottom is going to come in around $16,000 region, because guys, if Bitcoin is going to drop another 34% from where we are right now, what will Bitcoin be trading for? Bitcoin will be trading below 17,600. That's for sure. And if Bitcoin is going to lose another 30 to 34% of its value, Bitcoin might be trading for around 15,000. I don't think we'll get that low. For my own money, I'll think around the $16,000, $15,000 region. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. What do you think Bitcoin is going to do over the coming days? Do you think Bitcoin is going to pump to 28,000? Are we just going to consolidate sideways, or is Bitcoin continue going to dump? Because right now, Bitcoin dominance is currently at 42.5%. Bitcoin dominance has been ranging since May 2021, but not been able to break above 48%. And below 39%, Bitcoin's dominance has been ranging, and the market has been dumping in that period of time. At the same time, the market still pump inside our range. At some point in time, guys, we have to break above this range. Where do you think it's breaking? To the upside or to the downside? For my money, I would think Bitcoin dominance is going to break up to the upside, because, guys, during the bear market, Bitcoin dominance in the market actually increases. Bitcoin gains strength during the bear market, because a lot of these altcoins are going to tank during the bear market. And when new investors are coming to the market, they go to safety first and they go to Bitcoin. Looking at Bitcoin in a larger time frame, guys, Bitcoin was unable to close last week above its 200 moving average. Bitcoin was unable to close above 22,700. Bitcoin is currently dumping. Bitcoin is trading for 21,600, well beneath its 200 moving average. Previously, the 200 moving average has held for Bitcoin as support during the bear market, has actually showed that was the bottom of Bitcoin in 3 different occasions: in 2015, in 2018, even in 2020 during the COVID sell-off. But in 2022, it looks as if this time is different, because Bitcoin has been consolidating beneath the 200-week moving average for 6 weeks now. Will Bitcoin be rejected and go to its 300-week moving average, which currently sits around 16,000? Or are we going to close next week above Bitcoin 200 moving average? Bitcoin needs to close the week above 22,700. Is that possible? At some point in time, guys, we're going to get some relief rally in the crypto market. You see Bitcoin pumping. I don't think that time is now. So, guys, drop it us in the comment section. How low do you think Bitcoin will go in the bear market? Do you think the bottom is in for Bitcoin? Or are we going to see a significant pump in the price of Bitcoin very, very quickly? Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you don't get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video.